Good morning, everyone. It's Keegan. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a productive day in my life. Oh, my video just uploaded. Today has to be such a productive day for me. Let me set you down. My arm was getting tired after 0.2 seconds. If you guys don't know, I'm going out of town 2 days from now, so I pretty much have today and tomorrow left here to get all the stuff done. I'm going to Iowa with my family to visit my grandma. Because I'm going out of town, I have a lot to do today, and I thought I'd take you guys with me because you love my productive day in my life vlogs. I'll show you my outfit. Why not? I got dressed. I'm not wearing pajamas, so really simple outfit. I always wear like just like a tank top and shorts all the time. I love this top from Forever 21. I also have it in blue. It's ribbed. It kind of is like almost tie-dye, but not tie-dye enough to be tie-dye, but you can see there's definitely some like specks. Okay, you're annoying. I hate when men rev their engines. It's so annoying living on a busy road that I do, constantly hearing the I'm like, why are you doing that? Because where I live there's a light and then right after it's another light, so I'm like, you're literally just going to slam on your brakes right after. Drives me insane. So annoying. I love this top. It's like stretchy too. I just think it's really cute. These shorts, I got them in my last vlog. They're from Levi's, if you guys want to check that out, but this is a pair that I got. I'm confused on what they are because they're 501s, but every single short from Levi's I feel like it's called a 501. Like I have 501s in like 20 different styles. Well, not really. I have 501s in 3 different styles. It's focusing on the mirror. Why? Hello, me. And then I always just wear the same necklaces. I take them off to like work out and shower, but I have my little 2000 necklace from Amazon and then this little necklace from Etsy. Always wear them. Let me sit down just to catch you up on what I've done so far today. I woke up, I went to the gym, I got gas, and then I got home. You saw me make my bed. I was on hold with customer service for my water company. We have like water delivered to us because we don't have like a water thing, and we have a Brita, but there's so many of us that live here that like we refill it like 3 times a day when we all use it. 2 of us get like the water thing, 2 of us use the Brita. It makes it so much easier. But for the past couple weeks they've been charging me and not sending us the water, so I had to call them. Their website was literally down. I talked about this in my last vlog where I tried to do this, but their website was not up, and I was like, what? I was like, oh my god, they have my card information. What is going on here? All is good. All is good in the world. I called them. I was on hold for a while, but I eventually got that figured out, and then I showered. I literally lotioned the heck out of my body, like to the point that I'm sweating, because I never really lotion myself, and I was like, I deserve it. Right now, my video just, my video is just uploaded. I always call this like promo in my head where I just like post about it on Instagram and then respond to the comments for the first couple hours. But I'm gonna do that, and then I have a list of things that I need to do. Just responded to every comment that so far has been left on my video, and I uploaded it. I posted about it on Instagram. Sorry, I'm getting my hard drive and stuff out. There she is. I have a lot of stuff that I need to do today, and I wanted to give you guys one of my little productivity tips. So I do want to say I'm not always productive. Like I definitely have days where okay, this is driving me insane. I need to lower my chair. Oh my gosh, this stuff happens to me all the time. I'm like on a roll, and then I like find a million ways to procrastinate it. I think it's going down. I guess we'll see when I sit on it. Final reveal. Oh, my short. Maybe I shouldn't be wearing these shorts. When I bought these shorts, I didn't sit in them and test them out, and they're like a little up there, if you know what I mean. We have changed into something a little more comfortable, which is perfect for working, you know. Don't want to be uncomfy working. So I'm gonna give you guys one of my little productivity tips. Every time I do like productive videos, people are like, how are you doing it? First off, I'm not productive every day. For the past 2 days, I've been laying in bed watching Friends. Like that's all I've been doing. I go through phases where I get really productive and then I need like a break. I don't film on days that I'm not super productive because I have, and no one watches those videos. I'm not gonna make a video that no one cares about. It's still the same amount of work for me, so I might as well make a video that you guys want to see. But when I am productive, I wanted to show you guys a way that I kind of get the ball rolling for me, because I feel like the hardest part about being productive is starting. And so I always have a bunch of like little tasks. I like to do the small things first. A lot of people are like, okay, do the most important thing first and then like work your way down from there. For me, the most important task is always a little daunting for me. Today, my most important task is I need to edit a video and like do the whole thumbnail, upload it, tags, description, all of that. That's like a lot of stuff. Like that's a little daunting for me at the moment. I always start off with my small little tasks. I always have my to-do list. This is her. I put everything on there. Yeah, I've done a few things, so I can just check them off. Okay, I've done one thing. Whoa! I need to do my laundry, but my roommate was doing her laundry, so her stuff is done, but it's in the washing machine, and she just left. She can't take it out and put in the dryer, and I don't want to take it out and put in the dryer and accidentally dry something that she doesn't want to go in the dryer. She wants a day or dryer. This is the thought process I put into. I hate him. I hate him so much. Whoever that is. I could not stand that sound. That's the amount of thought process that I put into these small little things like that. I do need to do my laundry, and I'm worried she's gonna be gone all day, so I won't be able to. The first little thing that I will be doing today is, drum roll, I need to cancel my gym membership because I don't go enough. Literally, I vlogged the day that I got my gym membership, and now I'm canceling it like a month later. I don't like the gym. Last night at like 1 a.m. I was on little Taylor Swift side of YouTube. I went down a deep dark hole and I was just watching a million Taylor Swift videos. I think I've seen all of these. Wait, I'm gonna put that to my watch later. This is what I do at midnight. I don't like the gym that I go to now. It's a lot smaller. I'm paying a lot of money for it and I don't go enough. I've been starting taking spin classes again and I just really like those a lot more than going to this gym. So I am going to cancel my membership after like a month. And that is task number 1. Oh, I'm so annoyed. That was the most frustrating thing ever. They make it impossible to cancel your membership, which I get it. I get why they're doing that. You're kidding me. They don't let you cancel your membership online. Well, you have to mail it, email them, or call them, or go in person. There's literally an app. Like, why can't I just cancel my membership on there? Don't know why. Well, I know why, because they want to make it hard so people will keep their membership. Then they were like, you need to find all this information. One of the things is like, you need to find your membership ID. There's nowhere on the website or the app that tells you what your membership ID is. And then I emailed them all of that. And then it's like, it's gonna take about like a week for us to respond to you. I'm like, I might as well just call. I hate talking on the phone. But that was just like infuriating. That is just so annoying of them to do. And I get why they're doing it, but I wish they wouldn't. I never want to go back to this gym ever. Another phone call today.
Thank you for calling ABC Fitness Solutions, Member Services Division.
That was also infuriating. I'm never this person. Like, let me just preface this by saying I am not this person. I literally screamed at the automated lady on my phone. Before you could even talk to someone, they like asked you for like information, but they'd be like, what's your membership ID? Like I said, they don't tell you your membership ID. Like, what's your payment ID? What does a payment ID even mean? I'm like, is that my card number? Is that a number on my account? And I was like, I don't know what any of this means. And I was like, I just want to speak to a representative. And now they're charging me for like 2 more months. Never go to EOS Fitness, life hack. But I made food because I was starving after being so angry. I felt like it like enraged me and I needed food. I made the weirdest little salad. I have this recipe and I probably want to show it to you guys like in a what I eat in a day type video if you guys want to see that. These are all the leftovers since I'm going out of town. Leftovers. And this is just like the weirdest combo of food. And the weirdest amounts. Like there's so much corn in this. There's so much. I'm glad I got that done. Oh, also I got a package in the mail. It's not even like a real salad. Whatever I'm eating, I put like a feta dressing on it, which is really good. This company called Peach and Lily. This is their stuff. They sent me 3 things. Thank you so much. They sent me glass refining serum. Really cute packaging. To calm and brighten with peach extract, peptides, and niacinamide. Also, by the way, this is not sponsored. They just sent this to me. Like this. Cute. They also sent me their Skin Shield Blurring Primer. There's bamboo extract in this. I didn't even know that existed. That's also so cute. And then they sent me a Hydrate and Glow Glass Skin Veil Mist. So cute. This is nice. We did all this. It's all, you know that TikTok sound? This is nice. I'm excited to try these out. Thank you so much to Peach and Lily for sending me the cutest little name ever. I'm gonna eat my lunch and then start editing the video. Canceling that membership took an hour of my day. So remember how I was like, oh, do the little easy thing? That was not one of them. It was supposed to be, but it was not. Gonna eat my food. I just finished the rough cut on this video, and so for me, everyone edits their videos differently. Keep that in mind. Oh, my mom's texting me. So what I just did was I put all the clips there. So I haven't added any music, any effects, any text, anything. All I did was just edit out the parts I don't like, maybe a few zooms, some time lapses, and that's about it. So now I need to do the rest of the stuff. I'm like hitting a wall. I think that dealing with my gym really brought the mood down. I want to bring it back up, but whatever. I'll have to get over it. I have no other choice. I took a little break. I feel like you guys have really been able to see in the past couple vlogs how burnt out I've been. So incredibly burnt out by everything. Like in the last vlog, I'm watching Friends. And then I finished editing the vlog. I find that I'm more productive when I'm in bed. I know that's like the weirdest thing ever. My roommate's stuff is still in the washing machine. So I sent a text in the group chat and I was like, does anyone mind moving it to the dryer? So far, no response. I think that I'm gonna go through my laundry, see how full it is. And I'm just gonna separate it into my like lights and colors so it's ready whenever she moves her stuff into the dryer. So far, I need to finish uploading my video. I did like the tags and description and stuff, but I need to add the end Slayton cards and stuff like that. And then I need to make the thumbnail. I just ate a ton of Reese's peanut butter cups, like maybe like 10 of them. I was hungry. What can I say? Since I'm going out of town the day after tomorrow, I'm not gonna get groceries because that's pointless. You do what you gotta do. I hate the sun always hits right where like I am when I put makeup on and get ready. But as you guys can see, my bed is no longer made. I always wonder, I'm like, why do I make my bed if I'm just gonna get in it and mess it up? I finally just finished everything that I need to do besides my laundry. But I wanted to show you guys what I got on Amazon because you know my addiction. We're all aware. Most of them are workout clothes just because I have been trying to work out more. I got this black top. I really like these, but I only have them in colors, so it's like I can't wear them with colored leggings, so I got a black one. I will link all these down below, by the way. I always see this on TikTok or Instagram and it looks a lot like Gymshark, so I wanted to try it out. Plus it's getting so much hotter, so leggings are not the move. I know I just said leggings are not the move, but also I got this set and it also kind of reminds me of Gymshark with like that thing. I got this. It was a really good deal. It was $8. I did not pay $11 for it. I paid $8. I hope. I should double check. But I see these on TikTok and like for $4 each, I was like, that's not a bad deal. And I want to see. I got these for my apartment next year. If I don't like them, I can just return them. But they were a good deal. They were only like $6 off, but I mean, I'm saving $12. So I didn't technically need any of that, but none of them were even like on that big of a sale either. I have been wanting new workout clothes. It was on sale. Why not? I also got these leggings, but they're out of stock, so I'll get them when they come back in stock. But I have these in red and I wear them all the time. Another thing I didn't need. I really screwed myself over. So I'm about to go to Bachelor Monday at my friend's apartment, but I was like, oh my god, I need to eat food first. I'm sure there's going to be food there, but like a meal. So I decided to make ramen. I literally have 15 minutes to make it. I'm gonna make 2 packages. I don't use the like the chicken packet. I like make my own little mixture of like soy sauce, sesame oil, which is water, minced garlic, and then I salt and pepper it. And then today I remember that I had soyaki, which is like Trader Joe's teriyaki sauce. I used to eat it all the time and then I like hated it forever because I ate it way too much, but I'm gonna try it again. We're gonna make it.